6 things that happen to your body when you eat eggs. Have you ever heard of an egg diet? Eating eggs is a fantastic way to give your health a boost. According to WebMD, each egg only contains 75 calories and is packed with 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1.6 grams of saturated fat. Not to mention it contains iron and other essential vitamins and minerals. Eggs have several health benefits. They also contribute to healthy brain development and bone health. For example, did you know that eating eggs during pregnancy can also help a baby's brain development? This is due to the yolks being high in choline. If you're not eating eggs on a regular basis, you should be. Now, keep watching for the 6 things that will happen to your body when you eat eggs. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily health tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Number 6, boost your weight loss. Did you know that eating eggs can actually boost your weight loss? Many people are surprised when they hear this because they've been told that eggs are unhealthy and fattening. But a study done by the Rochester Center of Obesity Research found that eating eggs for breakfast actually helps limit your calorie intake throughout the day by over 400 calories. Researchers from this study concluded that by just eating eggs for breakfast, you could lose 3 pounds a month. The reason why eating eggs can help limit your calorie intake is that they curb your appetite. So, if you find you're hungry, try eating some eggs. When you eat eggs, you'll start to notice that they make you feel full, which can take away unnecessary cravings and help prevent you from munching on snacks and foods that aren't the best for you. So if you're trying to lose weight, try adding some eggs to your diet. You won't regret it. Number 5, help your body prevent breast cancer. Research that was conducted by Harvard University found that eating eggs as an adolescent could help prevent breast cancer. Researchers at the University of North Carolina found that choline, which is in eggs, can help reduce breast cancer by 24%. The daily intake recommendation for choline is 550 milligrams for men and 425 milligrams for women. 1 egg contains 125.5 milligrams. So if you consume 2 eggs, you're almost halfway to consuming your daily intake. So make a change to your healthy diet to help improve your overall health and reduce the risk of different types of cancer, like breast cancer. Now, while eggs may be able to help protect you from breast cancer, it's not to say that it will prevent you from getting cancer. So always be sure to speak to a doctor or medical health professional first. If you're looking for some information about how to prevent certain types of cancer, do you know how many eggs researchers suggest that we eat every day to maintain a healthy lifestyle? Well, stick around until the end to find out. Number 4, reduce stress and anxiety. A study was published in 2004 in Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, and researchers found that when people had sufficient lysine sources in their diet, their stress and anxiety levels were reduced. The researchers believe that lysine modulated the serotonin in the nervous system. Can you guess what food has high amounts of lysine? Stress and anxiety can also have a huge impact on your weight and your diet. When people are stressed out, they tend to eat more or less. This can lead to weight gain or unhealthy weight loss, both of which can be detrimental to our health. In addition to this, stress and anxiety can affect your sleeping patterns, so try to eat more eggs to reduce your stress and your anxiety. Anxiety number 3. Protect your eyes. There are 2 types of antioxidants in eggs, lutein and zeaxanthin, They both have protective effects on your eyes. Both these antioxidants are found in the yolk. What these antioxidants do is reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who consumed 1.3 egg yolks per day for almost 5 weeks increased their blood levels of zeaxanthin by 114 to 142% and lutein by 28 to 50%. Number 2. Lower inflammation. Eggs contain dietary phospholipids, compounds which have huge effects on inflammation according to studies. In fact, a recent study published in the journal Nutrients found that there was a connection between dietary intake of egg phospholipids and choline and the reduction of inflammation. By lowering inflammation in the body, you reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, according to Paul M. Ridker, director of Center for Cardiovascular Disease Prevention at Harvard-affiliated Brigham and Women's Hospital. Number 1. Protects your liver. As mentioned already, eggs have high levels of choline. A review was published in the journal Advances in Nutrition, and it explained that choline deficiency is linked to the buildup of hepatic lipids, which have the ability to cause non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The good news is that a study found in the Journal of Nutrition found that women who had high choline diets lowered the risk of experiencing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Cholesterol is an important part of the cell membrane, and the liver produces large amounts of it every day. When we eat eggs, the liver doesn't have to produce as much. This structural molecule is responsible for making testosterone, estrogen, and cortisol, which are all very important contributions to the function of the human body. Basically, if we were to consume a large portion of eggs, say 3 of them, it would even out with the liver to make sure the body gets the correct levels of cholesterol. So now that you know what will happen to your body if you start eating eggs, what do you think? Eggs are great for your health, but you should also remember that all of our bodies are different. The effects of consuming whole eggs can vary person to person. For the most part, the majority of people consuming eggs experience mild to no alterations in cholesterol levels after consuming high amounts of dietary cholesterol. In fact, the 2015 to 2020 dietary guidelines for Americans has actually dropped their limit on dietary cholesterol, and the government's expert panel has expressed that it is no longer a nutrition of concern. So is there a limit to how many eggs we should be eating? How many eggs are too many? Well, studies suggest that we should eat between 1 to 3 eggs a day, although there are studies showing that it is safe for us to consume up to 3 eggs a day. There are no studies showing what happens when people consume more than 3 a day or more than 21 a week. Another thing to keep in mind is that there are different types of eggs. The healthier eggs are richer in omega-3 or come from hens raised on a pasture. Eating 3 of these eggs a day could contribute to nutritional differences over time. Eggs are a great addition to your healthy diet to help with your overall health and bodily functions. With all sorts of health benefits, there's no denying that eggs should be a staple in anyone's diet. Eggs can help fight iron deficiency, protect eyesight, and help with healthy weight gain. Basically, you should make eggs a staple of your diet right now, so what are you waiting for? Get started on your new healthy diet today and reap the rewards. How many eggs do you eat a day? What are some other types of food that you eat to maintain a healthy lifestyle? And do you have any health tips for getting started on a healthy diet? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.